Mathematical logic. Exercise problems. Negate the following proportion. P or negation Q. To solve this, we should know that loss, what we have already seen in the previous video, this is the conditions what we have seen. If you know this, it's easy for us to solve this. Solution, we want to neglect that negation P or negation Q. By using the given condition, we can solve this. Next one, negation conditional Q. Negation of negation P conditional Q logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q. We want to find the negation of this. We can use the table which is given above to solve. Negation P, conditional negation Q. Negation of negation is given. So conditional is given. That is logically equivalent to negation P and negation of negation Q equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Find the negation. Negate the following. 4 is an even integer or 7 is a prime number. We want to write the negation for this. Here it is given as even or prime. This is given to us. In this, its even is given. So we'll say not an even integer. Or can be replaced by and. Prime can be replaced by not prime. He likes to run and he does not likes to sit. The negation is given here. He does not likes to run or he likes to sit. Just we wrote the negation. Third one, he likes mathematics and he does not like logic. The negation is fourth one. If 6 is a divisor of 120, then 486 is not divisible by 6. In this, we will solve solution. 6 is divisor of 120 and 486 is divisible by 6. Fifth one, if two triangles are similar, then the areas are equal. If similar then and equal is given, we want to write the negation of that. Sixth one, it is cold or it is raining. Negation statement is we want to neglect the following. Negation of the given condition is given. P conditional Q and R. Solution. Find the negation for this. To solve this, we want to know that conditions, which already we have seen in the previous video and the previous slide also I given. Neglect the following. Same like what we have seen before. If an integer is greater than 3 and less than 5, then it is a multiple of 5. We want to write the negation for this. So which is highlighted in red color. So we can write the opposite for this, negation for that. Solution. We will write the statement as PQR first. Statement P, let P an integer is greater than 3. Next statement Q, an integer is less than 5. Next statement R, an integer is a multiple of 5. Now the statement is given, we will write the proportion. Then the given proportion is P and Q conditional R. We want to write the negation for this. We will convert this to the statement. Thus, the negation of the given proportion is an integer is greater than 3 and less than 5 and not a multiple of 5. Second one, if x is divisible by y, then it is divisible by a and b. Again, three statement P, Q, R we will write. Statement P, let P such that x is divisible by y. Q such that x is divisible by a. R such that x is divisible by b. Then proportion is given P conditional Q and R. Negation statement is thus the negation proportion is x is divisible by y and x is not divisible by a, or x is not divisible by b. Whether is fine and my friends are not coming, or we do not go to movie. This is given. Let us try to write the statement PQR. Let P such that weather is fine. Q such that my friends are coming. R such that we go to movie. See, in this problem, here it is given my friends are not coming. In the question it is given as my friends are not coming, but we took Q as my friends are coming. Why we took like this means it's easy for us to neglect that. Negation of Q, it will be easy to write. So always whenever it is opposite not, you can write it as taking as the same component. The given proportion is P and negation Q or negation R. From the question you can write the negation Q and negation R because that is not coming, not going is given. So we wrote the opposite. Now the negation for the given statement is negation of P and negation Q or negation or. Now the negation statement is weather is fine or my friends are coming and we go to a movie. This is given. In this problem, lot of statement is there. If you feel that if you want to reduce this statement, we can remove these two lines. But I suggest that to give a proper explanation. Next question. If a triangle is equilateral, then its sides are equal and angles are equal. This is given. First, we'll write this statement. Let P, a triangle is equilateral, Q, its sides are equal, angles are equal as R. Now, the given proportion is P conditional, Q and R. Write the negation for this. And the negation statement is a triangle is equilateral and its sides are not equal or angles are not equal. Fourteen is a divisor of 48 and 28 is not divisible by 82. Solution. Here we have two statements P and Q. Find the negation for this. The negation statement is determine whether the following proportion is a tautology or a contradiction or neither. Question. P and Q and negation P is given to us. Solution. First we will draw the table by the given condition such as P, Q, P and Q, negation P and the question. Now we have seen in previous video we have seen this truth table. The truth table I have given here, this is data. We should know this truth table to solve the problems. By using that, we can write the value of P, Q, P and Q, negation of P. Then by using this both conditions, we can write the last column. The last column indicates that the given proportion is a contradiction because the last column all are false. If all are false, it is contradiction. If all are true, it is tautology. If both are there, it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Negation P and P or Q. Solution. We will draw the table. From the truth table, we will substitute the value of P, Q, negation P, P or Q. Then by using this both the tables, we will write the last column. In the last column indicates that it is neither tautology nor a contradiction because false and true are both present in that. Third one, P and Q conditional P or Q. solution, draw the table, the value of P, Q, P and Q, P or Q. Then by using this both the table, write the last column. Indicates it is all true, therefore it is tautology. P and Q, conditional P. Draw the table, the value of P, Q, P and Q. Then from the given column, this both the column, we can write the last column. All are true, therefore it is tautology. Negation P and negation Q. Draw the table, the value of P, Q, negation P, negation Q. Then by using this both the column and the last column we got, which has both true and false, therefore it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Thank you.